Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial in how to manually enter credit card charges in Xero. A credit card in Xero is treated as a bank account, not a bill or expense. So you first set up the credit card account, then record your charges as spend money transactions under that account. So firstly, we'll click on the accounting section and click on bank accounts. Then next, we'll click on add bank account. So here, you can search for the bank, credit card, or payment provider to connect, and once you find it, you'll click on it. Now you can choose to continue and log into the bank or set it up later. So for the convenience, you can set it up later and click on Add Without Bank Feed. Insert your account details here and click on Save and Continue. As you can see, you've added your credit card. Now is where we'll add the credit card charges manually. Click on Manage Account, then on Spend Money. Insert where you'll send it to, its description, quantity, unit price, account, tax rate, and amount in Great Britain pounds. Then click on Save. Finally, reconcile your credit card transactions with your statement or uploaded bank feed to make sure everything matches. Click on the Unreconciled status, then click on Options. And click on Mark as Reconciled. And there you have it. This is how we add credit card changes manually. I hope you like this video. Thank you again.